All right, today we are breaking down the proven strategies to take your stream from zero to, well, not zero. If you're looking to actually grow your audience and do it fast, you've come to the right place. Does this look a little too familiar? You hit that go live button, you're full of energy, and you're streaming to maybe a couple of friends or, let's be real, maybe just the bots. It is so frustrating, and it is the exact problem we are going to fix today. So what's the number one mistake that keeps almost every new streamer stuck? It's this belief, this idea that the magic only happens when that little red live icon is on. But that's just not how it works. And changing that one single mindset, well, that's the key to everything. The truth is, the real work, the work that actually gets you new viewers, happens when you're offline. Think of your stream as the big concert. The promotion, the posters, the hype. That all happens before and after the show. So let's dive into phase one, your pre-stream strategy. This is all about setting the stage for success before you even dream of clicking go live. This is how people find you in the first place. First things first, you have to be smart about what you're streaming. If you just jump into the biggest, most popular game out there, it's kind of like trying to whisper in the middle of a rock concert. No one's going to hear you. And I mean, just look at the difference here. In a mega title, you would have thousands of other people streaming at the exact same time. But if you find a niche title, the ratio of viewers to streamers is way, way higher. You actually have a shot at being seen and becoming the go-to person for that community. Okay, next up, your stream title. This is huge. It's the difference between someone scrolling right past you and someone clicking. Chill stream. What does that even mean? It tells me nothing. But a title like Beginner Tips Road to Rank X, now that offers value, it sets a clear goal, and it uses words people might actually be searching for. So you gotta build your titles with these things in mind. Ask yourself, what is someone looking for when they find my stream? Are they looking for help? Are they looking to watch a specific challenge? Give them a real solid reason to click on you. And finally, for this pre-stream phase, let's talk about your channel page. It's your shop window. A clear bio tells people exactly why they should stick around. A good banner makes you look like you take this seriously. And panels with your schedule, that tells people when to come back for more. Don't sleep on this stuff. Okay, so you did the prep work. People are starting to show up. Fantastic. Now, how in the world do you get them to stay? Welcome to your live engagement playbook. And hey, a quick word on gear. You do not need a $1,000 camera and mic setup. You know what you do need? Good lighting. Seriously, a $20 ring light can make you look 1,000,000 times better. That and some clean, simple overlays are way more important than expensive tech. This, right here, is where you build your community. You have to be the host of the party, even if it feels like no one's there yet. Talk through what you're doing. Ask questions to the chat. Even the lurkers. And when someone new follows or says hi, call them out. Making someone feel seen is the absolute fastest way to turn a random viewer into a regular. And please, don't burn yourself out trying to do 8-hour marathon streams. It is so much better to stream for just 2 hours, 3 times a week, at the exact same times than it is to do one random super long stream. A predictable schedule builds a habit for your viewers. They'll know exactly when the show starts. All right, now for the grand finale. This is the most powerful part of the entire strategy. This is what separates the streamers who actually grow from the ones who just don't. Your post-stream growth engine. This is the real secret sauce. I'm serious. If you only take one single thing away from this entire explainer, please let it be this. The work you do after you end your stream is your single biggest growth accelerator. Your live stream isn't the end product, it's the raw material. And the process is actually pretty simple. You go through your past stream, you find the best parts, the funniest moments, the coolest plays, the most helpful tips. You clip them, you slap on some captions and a really strong hook at the beginning, and you get them ready for the world. You take those clips and you post them on platforms that are built for discovery, platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Their algorithms are designed to push your content out to people who have never heard of you. Every single clip is like a little free advertisement for your channel, working for you 24/7. So that's the whole system, right? Before, during, and after. It's a cycle that feeds itself. Discovery brings people in, and engagement makes them stay. So let's put it all together into a clear, simple action plan you can use right away. Here it is, your checklist for growth. 1. Pick a category where you can actually be found. 2. Write titles that make people want to click.
3. Clip the best parts of your stream for other platforms. 4. Be consistent. And 5. Engage with every single person like they're the only one in the room.
So there's the framework. This isn't about getting lucky. It's about having a real strategy. So the final question is for you. Looking at all of this, what's the one thing, the one single thing you're going to do differently on your very next stream to kickstart your growth?